வாழ்க வையகம் வாழ்க வளமுடன். வேதாத்ரி மகரிஷி சரணம். Okay, friends, let me begin by profusely thanking Mr. Satyamurthy and Mr. Shanbagam Satyamurthy for having taken this initiation and for having organized this meeting. Because primarily I came here to give a lecture in a conference arranged in Arizona University. The theme of the conference was the science of consciousness. That was the theme. So we presented a paper there. So taking that opportunity, when I informed her, she said, why don't you come to Dallas and we will arrange a meeting. So that is how we are here. So my sincere thanks to them and to you for having responded to our invitation. Okay, now we enter the subject. So for about 30 to 40 minutes, I'll just give an overall view of science and philosophy, an overall view. And then you can have your questions. The questions may be in science, it may be in philosophy, or it may be anything to do with your family also. Anything. Either philosophy, pure philosophy, or science, or our relationships. All these things, you can raise questions, that's all the program. So for 30 to 40 minutes, I will wrap up everything. Science and philosophy, I will wrap up. Now, suppose in a railway station, you see a weighing machine. Okay. What is the job of the weighing machine? If you put the coin, a ticket comes. Putting the coin is your action. Ticket is the reaction. Is it not? Action, reaction. Now, for that action, that reaction should happen. A ticket should come. Who has arranged that? Who has done that? Who? If you put the coin, the reaction is there must be a ticket with your weight. Okay? Who would have done that? Who?
Designed that. The one who designed that.
Exactly. The engineer. Yes, somebody, is it not? His brain is behind that. Is it not? There is a brain behind that. Behind that machine. Simple machine. And for that machine, he should also give the energy. Is that not? So he should give the energy, he should arrange there by using his brain what should happen. So in a simple machine, there is a brain behind. The machine cannot come up like this by its own. Yes, ma'am, welcome. Harish, I must introduce him. The person Harish, his mother was my former student, Mrs. Rani. And you have a son. Son's son, how do you say? He is the grandson, not the first son. Your grandson is what? Son's son. Similarly, my student's son, he is a grand student. Very nice to meet him here, very nice. Okay. So behind a simple machine, there is a brain behind. Can you deny that? No. A machine cannot come up by itself. there must be a brain behind. If that is so, you see the whole huge machine, the whole universe operating. Is that not? The whole universe. How many laws are operating here inside this universe? How many laws? Is that not? Something is rotating. Is that not? Something is going around. Is that not? A rain is coming. How many things are happening? How many things? You cannot even imagine. There is a ocean, and if you in a house, if you want to pump water to the upstairs, what do you use? A pump. But you see here, the ocean is there, water is being pumped up. By what? By the rays from the sun. The rays from the sun falling over the ocean, water is being pumped up. And your pump, if it is salt water, it will pump only the salt water. But here you see, the water is salty, but it is pumping what? Pure water. Who can do that? What a wonderful mission this is. We don't realize that. Wonderful mission. Inside a small seed, the machine has packed up the entire tree. Inside a small tree. Is that not? Many, many things are happening here. You take the orange, you just open the orange, how nicely it is arranged. Is it not? How much difficulty we have to arrange a few clothes in a bed, in a box. But you see how nicely it is arranged. Wonderful things are happening here. Just from a drop, the Alexander comes. Alexander was a drop in his mother's womb. Just a drop. The drop becomes a baby, the baby becomes Alexander the Great. Who can do this miracle? Let not. If you think like this, there is a wonder that who is that brain behind all these things? If there is to be a brain behind a simple ticketing machine, how much a brain should be there behind this machine? Let not. You take the case of a small drop being formed in mother's womb. Okay? A small drop. Even the mother does not know that the drop has been formed. Let not. If she is not careful enough, the drop may get damaged. Therefore, that brain arranged what? What? A liquid for that to float. Who can do that? There is a liquid. Float to have it to float. So whatever mother does, it is simply floating. No damage. And you know, mother's food goes to whom? Mother's food goes to whom? The baby only after the fallopian tube is formed. Only after the fallopian tube is formed, mother's food goes to what? The baby. Before that, the tube has not been formed. Where from that gets the food? Have you ever thought about that? Fallopian tube is to be formed, but not yet formed. So where from that gets the food? Is it not? The brain has arranged. The liquid where you are floating, that itself is your food. See? The liquid where you are floating, that itself is your food. Till what? Till the fallopian tube is formed. Okay. What a brain that is. Right now, who is the person, who is that entity behind all these phenomena? So every human being, while in mother's womb, we drank the red milk. After we came out, we got the white milk. What an arrangement.